I'm going to show you how to draw any window in AutoCAD by drawing window plans with their elevations, starting with the first one. Use the line tool, make a reference line for the width of your window. I will use 900. Next, use the line tool again and draw the wall. I will use a wall thickness of 230. Press enter when you are done. Then use move to move it to the left and use copy to copy it to the right. And just like that, you get your first window symbol. To make a frame window, start with a 900 reference line. Use the rectangle tool to create a frame. Type 50, press tab, then type 50 again. Move it to the left, then use copy to copy it to the right. Then use trim to trim inside the frames. Next, use offset, right click and select true. Select the middle line and click the top edge. Select the middle line again and click the bottom edge. This creates the window sash and glazing. If you want to add a wall, simply copy the wall from the middle and snap it to the center of the glazing, and just like that you have a framed window. But most windows have mullion in the middle. To make one, I will copy the frame window. Select one side of the frame, copy it from middle top to the middle top of the window sash. Next, use trim to remove the part inside the frame, and just like that you have a window with mullion. But if you want the window off-centered, simply select it, use move and position it wherever you want. Now to make a window elevation without a mullion, start with a rectangle. Use a width of 900, press tab, then a height of 900. To create the frame, use the offset command, type 75 and offset inward. Then select the inner panel, change the offset distance to 50 and offset again to create the window sash, and just like that you have your window elevation. Next is a window with mullions and panels. Start with the same rectangle. I will use 1200 for the width and 1500 for the height. Use offset with 75 distance and offset inward. Then use the line tool to divide the window. You only need to draw one side. We will mirror the other side later. Focusing on the left side, make a rectangle on the left side. Use offset up 25 distance and offset inward. Then use the line tool and divide the panel. To split the line into 3 parts, we will use the divide tool. Select the line, type 3 and press enter. Use the node to draw one line and copy it down. Then erase the nodes. Next, draw a rectangle inside one panel. Offset it inward by 10 and copy it twice downward. Erase the guides. Select the 3 rectangles and use mirror to create the other half of the panel. Select no. Now one side of the window is complete. Select it along with the frame. Use mirror again. Click the center of the window and mirror it to the other side. Select no. To make a casement window without panels, simply copy this one and erase all the panels. And just like that, you are able to make this window and you can attempt to make any window. If you want to learn how to draw those, check out the video up here. Or if you want to make these windows into blocks, simply click here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.